Hi, my name's Jordan. I'm a corporate trainee at the Powerhouse, and the following documentary you're about to watch is of interactions we've had with young people during the summer programme when we've been running pop-up events and consulting with young people about the lack of services and safe spaces for young people to go to in their local area. We've been doing this by working with AIT, which is the Active Involvement Team, Ministry of Life, and also South Wales Police. Put it in your pocket, but don't lock it. Right, and then just put it next to life.
Alright.
Go ahead and put that in your pocket without locking it.
As you can see, the leisure centre's not open to us, so we've got nothing really to do when we're bored. We only have the AstroTurf for two hours a week, and most of the things are always locked. Like, we want our shuttle back so we can have somewhere to go and somewhere to do and some things to say. So that's it really.
I'd like to have the hut back because it's getting quite boring now. Like, Pentwyn's getting quite rough, and obviously it'd be nice to have somewhere where kids could chill. And I would also like to have the leisure centre back for youth, because obviously we've got to stand in a really dark square, and it do get dark and scary. And I would also like it back because it's getting quite cold around, and yeah, that's basically all I want back.
I'd love to see this leisure centre open because it's getting cold, getting dark, bad weather, and our best facilities are inside and there's not really much to do outside. Kindly ask for just support for us young people really, because I don't feel like we have the support from the government. I don't feel like we have the support from anyone to keep us off the street, keep us out of trouble. I feel like we've been promised too many empty promises hasn't been filled, and hopefully these guys here, they'll help us get those promises filled. But yeah, I'd like to see another football court, basketball court. That's what me and the youngsters want around the area. And yeah, hopefully in aid of all this funding for us, it will help stop ASBO behaviour.
Cool. Hi, you alright? I'm Joff. I run Ministry of Life, which is a youth organisation which is delivering in Pentwyn. We run once a week, and we've been running over the lockdown throughout the cold winter. Yeah, the young people are great here, and we've been kind of delivering sessions, football, music. Yeah, a lot of the young people have basically been saying that they really would like more youth provision in the area, but they'd also like to run from a centre as well. And there's a lot of history in terms of the fact that the dome was taken away, and then they were promised the new community room. The fact that then they've even lost the leisure centre now is just building into their apathy. And that's really affecting links and relationships between the council and young people. So we're trying to work with them in these difficult circumstances, and we're also doing a community event with the youth service, Cardiff Youth Service, which is going to be over at the 3G pitches. So looking forward to that as well. But yeah, young people really tired, and they don't believe that anyone's going to do anything for them in the area. So we're just pressing on to do what we can.
So as I was saying earlier, the activities provided by the youth services and stuff like that, as we are getting more productive, all of us young people are getting more productive and involved in these activities provided by the youth service, that's keeping ASBO numbers down really. I haven't seen much ASBO behaviour pass in my local neighbourhood as I have before we was offered these activities.
My name's PCSO Ali Fitzgerald. I've been a PCSO in the area of Pentwyn for coming up to 9 years now, and I'm regularly in contact with young people in the area and trying to get the best for them and make sure they've got stuff to do and staying out of trouble. Yeah, I've been working in the area about 9 years now, been regularly doing projects with the kids along with the youth service. So we're currently running a football project in conjunction with Cardiff City, where we regularly get large groups of young people attending and engaging really well with us, and yeah, keeping them out of trouble and making sure they've got stuff to do and are safe in their area as well. The loss of the shelter in the area has been really damning. Our numbers, our figures show that antisocial behaviour has gone up since the shelter's been removed from the local park. So yeah, it'd be brilliant to get that back in the area so the kids have got their sense of space. It's their little area that they can call their own. That's where they can go to hang out, and we know they're safe there as well. Yeah, so it'd be brilliant to get it back.
My name is Jack. I want the shelter back, and could you open the 4G pitch more? Because it's just long every Friday. Can't we have it like any day, really, if we want it, innit? Yeah.
Hi, I want the leisure to be open, the 3G pitch to be free, and a bigger skate park and the shelters.
Hi, yeah, I'd like to have the shelter back, the leisure centre open, and the 3G be free so we can play football more.
Once again, we just want to give a special thanks to the Active Involvement Team, Ministry of Life and South Wales Police for all their help in interacting with young people to promote their voice to get better services in their local area. Thank you.